There's a video lesson for this one. Now, I want you to take a look at this page. Do you see the lesson 25? This is the indicator. That's where you can find this. Then go to the lesson, video lesson. Okay. If you cannot find later, you can stay back with me a little bit, about a little while after the lesson, so we can talk about this. Okay. And Marisa. 64. Four. Unattended. Marisa. Marisa, you also didn't attend, but you know how to log in. Marisa knows how to log in. Okay, so let's not wait any further. I want to start on tutorial. If you have not been doing it yet for first time, okay, acceptable reasons like cannot access, things like that. Okay, I want to go through these important slides. Okay, the first slide is the class rule. First thing first, I will need everyone to turn on your camera. Okay, if your background noise is loud, then probably you want to mute your mic. Okay, Marisa, are you with your devices? Turn on your camera. Jin Yang also. Pan Yang, I need you to turn on all cameras. Okay, this is a class rule. If not, then your parent will be called for. Then your parent will have to explain why you didn't turn it on. Okay. Now, if you need to talk to me or chat with me, chat anything, you just have to go to the chat function. You know where's the chat function, right? You can key in anything there. Okay. Next one is, you raise your hand, okay, and then you can speak. If you need to go to the toilet, just key in one message in the chat function and come back after the toilet, okay? And then we don't encourage scribbling on the slides, okay, because all of the students are watching it. All right, so today we are going to cover a lesson objective for this. Okay, decimals, but this time around is with gaps and differences. We also want to learn how to solve word problem, grouping in sets, right, using decimals. Okay. This is the type of typical question that you will get. This is just the beginning. This is for P4 level. There is a pattern to look at it. Okay, for this kind of question, we call it, usually I call it the symbol. That means I get something to represent. All right, symbol. For example, F and M, I put a symbol F with a symbol M. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. Now, he mentioned here is 2 files and 3 markers that will cost this much of money. So for Jimmy, what he buy here is 3 files and 4 markers from the same bookshop. Okay. So find the cost of 1 file and 1 marker. So can I say that this is 1 file and 1 marker is considered in a package called 1 set. Okay. Hi, hello, welcome. For those who just come in, Hao Xuan, I thought Jera. Yeah, can I have your cameras being on? Hello, Jera. Hi, Ivan, welcome back.
I'm
Jera, I saw your homework.
Yeah, I asked for help, so that's why I logged in late.
Correct. I got you. You did much better this round. I'm so glad. You must be proud of yourself, right, Jera?
Yeah, I asked my sister's help because
Yeah.
it's kind of hard.
Yeah, kind of, yes. It's okay to ask to seek help, okay? Yeah, I'm
Mm.
proud of you. Okay, for the rest of them, hello, Marisa. Hi, Ivan. Hao Shen, Ivan, please turn on camera.
Yes, I on, but it's black.
Why ah? Why black one? If you can, you fix it lah, huh? If cannot, then you let me know again.
I cannot fix.
Cannot fix 啊，姐姐 oh in 了，姐姐不在啊。
Huh?
You ask 姐姐 for help 咯 if you can lah, huh? If really cannot, then you let me know. Text over the group function is okay. Okay, all right. So yeah, just now I was talking to the students who were with me already. We use symbol to represent. What do I mean by symbol? Because the files got F, then I use F to represent. Okay, or I use shape is fine. Okay, so just to easy identification, I always use F law. So the first sentence say what? 2 files. So let's take a look at 2 files. Okay, so maybe I put F and F. And then 3 more marker here. So 1, 2, 3. And this total cost will be $11.40. Got it? But what Jimmy buy is 3 files. So let's take a look at what Jimmy buy. 3 files. 1. Maybe I put it in side by side here. 1, 2, 3. And 4 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do you get from here is $15.70. Okay? So you can see, if you observe, step back and look at it. Do you realize that I'm going to show you something like this? Oh, I'm going to box this up. I'm going to box this up. You know why I box them up? Okay, can I say this is like that? So this is like that. Oops, this is a single out, so I don't box that. Okay, this one is a single out. So you can see, what do you have for here? I'm going to make this like that. Watch. May I do as highlight? Can I say 1F and 1M? I call it one set. I have another color. Probably I'll do this. Here to here, I have one set. Correct or not? So this one also, I put it here, 1, 1. It's called one set. Okay, I put back the yellow here. This and this is called one set. Am I right? So what happened here? I have 1F some more. Maybe I put another blue here. Okay. Here to here. I have another one set. Okay. So I have one set, and one set. This one is one set, and 1M. Okay. So from here, I can do something. I can write as there is a difference of here. Let's take a look. I use this to minus away. Correct or not? Okay, I'm going to draw another one set here, but this is empty. This is single, no set. Okay, so I say this is no set. You just rub it out. You see? So can I use whatever here to minus it away? How? Let's take a look at my black pen. I'm going to strike it off. Look here. I have 1F and 1F to strike off, 1F and 1F to strike off, 1M and 1M to strike off, this and this strike off, this and this strike off. So therefore, what I left with is 1F and 1M. So I can use $11.50, sorry, $15.70 to minus away my $11.40. Okay, after minusing, what is left here? It left with, if you use your minusing, you should get $4.30, I think, minus here, $4.30. And this $4.30 is left over for which one? For 1F and 1M. Okay, so for the time being, I just erase this first. Okay, I erase the color. Okay, if I erase the color first, I hope this one will look better now. Then later I'll fill up if I need. Okay. This one, this one. So if I were to minus, this is what we left with, 1F and 1M. Now I use this one to color. You see? I left with 1F and 1M, and this is for 1F and 1M. Can you see that? Okay. So this one is for 1F plus 1M. Oh, I put that F plus M enough. Then that will be clearer. Okay. Then that answer this question, $4.30. Okay. Then for the next part, we want to know how much is the cost of the marker. Okay. Now, can I say one set will cost $4.30? Like just now, I put the color in, right? So if my highlighter, I change it to green, this pot, can I say for here and here, what does it cost? $4.30, right? Then I have another set here. If I change it to yellow, I have this color with this color. Can I say this is another $4.30? Okay. So therefore, what I left with is, I'm going to write here, $4.30. Yellow, also $4.30. So technically, from the whole 2F and 2M, it will cost me 2 sets of marker and file, right? So how much is the 2 sets? I go and multiply by 2. Okay, and this will give me $8.60. So this $8.60 will be the costing for FFMM. Agree or not? Okay. So FFMM already, so I can use the $11.40 to minus the $8.60, which give me $2.80. How does this come by? Look, because my FFMM is $11.40. So I use $11.40 to minus my 2 set, and that will give me $2.80. Then that is for me. Okay, $2.80. So far, okay. All right. Ivan, are you with me in class or not? Yes,
Yes.
What are you staring until so engrossed? Huh?
I'm staring at the screen.
Wow, staring at the screen but listening or not? Following closely or not? Can follow? Can okay. Let me check on Adelie. Let's see, okay or not? Let's see. Are you catching up with me? Do you understand why do I need to minus? Why? Can you explain a little bit? I want to hear your sweet voice. Don't want Okay, later you have to explain. Can do some presentation work? Later lah. No don't want Okay, later when you feel more confident, okay? Yeah, Ivan, yes.
I want to explain.
Oh yeah, number 2, your turn, okay? Later you do number 2. New one, I let you do it. Okay, let's ask for Leming. Is everything okay, Leming? Good, Hi, Shavi. I didn't get, we didn't say hello to each other yet.